In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install TurboTax on Windows 11. We'll go through the process from start to finish in a simple and clear way, using Google Chrome to access the download, sign in to your Intuit account, enter your license code, and run the installer on your Windows 11 computer. If you have a physical box or a digital purchase ready, you should be able to follow along easily. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to installturbotax.com. This is the official site where you can redeem your software and download the correct installation file. Make sure the page has fully loaded before moving on, so you can clearly see the sign-in area and product download options. Once you're there, sign into your Intuit account. This is the account connected to your TurboTax purchase and download access. If you already use Intuit products, be sure you're signing in with the correct account so your software can be linked properly. Take your time here, especially if your browser offers saved login details, and confirm that you've successfully reached your account page before continuing. Next, enter the 16-digit license code that came with your physical product box or your digital order. This code is what activates your copy of TurboTax and allows the download to proceed. Enter it carefully, exactly as shown, paying close attention to each character so you avoid any delays caused by typing mistakes. After the code is accepted, click Download to save the executable file, also known as the .exe file, to your computer. This is the main installation file for Windows. Depending on your Chrome settings, the file may begin downloading automatically and appear at the bottom of the browser window. When the download finishes, open Chrome's Downloads bar and click the downloaded file to run the installer. If you don't see the Downloads bar, you can press Ctrl and J on your keyboard to open Chrome's Downloads page and access the file from there. If Windows asks for permission to allow the app to make changes to your device, approve it so the installation can continue. From there, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation on Windows 11. Read each screen carefully, confirm the install options if needed, and continue until the process finishes. Once installation is complete, TurboTax should be ready to open and use on your computer.